Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. So today I have my sister's sister-in-law and she wanted to do a multicolored ombre set. So that is what we'll be doing today. I have prepped her nails and applied primer. I've also applied the nail forms and now I'm going in with a clear layer of acrylic. I am just building a thin layer, building out the free edge and also adding a clear layer to her nail bed as well to help with lifting and to also protect her nail from any discoloration with the colored acrylic. It also helps if she wants a redesign. We can always just file down to the clear layer instead of soaking off every time. Yeah, so I'm going to do this on all the nails and then we will go in with the colored acrylic. So I am not the best when it comes to sculpting. I actually like sculpted nails, but and I get the job done and it ends up looking nice, but I'm not the neatest when it comes to sculpting. So yeah, I don't want anybody to be roasting me because yeah. And I've already told you guys I'm not a trained nail tech. This is just a skill that I have developed on my own. So yeah. Alright guys, so now that I am finished with the clear layer, I'm going in with the colored acrylics at the tips of each of these nails. Some of these colors were from Mia Secret, their Color Punch collection. This color on the thumb is one of those colors. I don't remember the name of it now. But yeah, it's from the Mia Secret Color Punch collection. And let me just say these, for me, I don't know about anybody else, but working with them, they are really sticky and kind of hard to work with. But since doing this video, I have added some clear acrylic to each of these colors, the Mia Secret colors, and they are much easier to apply, much smoother, not as sticky. I'm guessing that they had way too much pigment and because of that it wasn't a smooth application, at least for me. Yeah, but now that I've added the clear acrylic, it's much better. If you're going to do that though, you just have to ensure that you don't add too much. It's best if you just try a little bit at a time, just to ensure that you don't make your colors too translucent or change, the color itself. By the way, guys, I just want to mention that I am not building the thickness of the nail with the colored acrylic. I'm kind of, painting on the color, just ensuring that it is opaque enough or, however I want it. And then once I have applied the pink to the nail bed area, I will cap the blend and the colored part with the clear acrylic and build up the strength and the apex. So yeah, just want to let you guys know that because most of the times colored acrylics are not strength acrylics, so you usually add a clear layer to kind of build your strength. You just want to basically paint on the color just for the color, and then you build the nail with the clear. So once I'm finished applying the color at the tips of the nails, I'm going in with a pink and I'm just blending that down on each of these nails to create that ombre effect. And I kind of build up the pink on the nail bed because I'm not really going to cap that in clear. It's really the ombre part of the nail as well as the colored part of the nail that I'm going to use the clear to build up. But for the pink, I just go ahead and build the nail bed area with that color. So once I've finished applying the pink to the nail bed and creating that ombre effect, I'm going in with some clear and capping the nails, and also I am building the nail, the thickness of the nail with the clear. And yeah, I looking back at this video, I'm saying to myself, why didn't I, shape up the nails after I removed the form and before adding the clear layer? But then, I would give myself extra work because I would still have to go in and file afterwards anyway. But yeah, I mentioned before that, I'm not the neatest when it comes to sculpting, but I get the job done and they usually look good afterwards. So yeah, don't mind that. Don't mind that they're not all neat and nice. They still turned out beautiful. Alright guys, so I did my filing and shaping off camera, and now I'm going in with the top coat, and I actually did 2 coats and had her cure each layer in the lamp. And we're almost at the end of this video. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. This is how the nails turned out. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. And if you did, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, please hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload. Until next time, bye-bye.